So, the next problem, sixth one. Okay. What annual rate of interest compounded annually doubles an investment in 7 years? So, if I take P to be the amount which I invest, the amount which I will receive at the end of the term will be 2P. Compound interest works on amount formula, where amount is given by P into 1 plus R by 100T the whole power NT. So, if I apply that rule here, this is going to be 2P, P is P itself, R theriyadu, T is 1, so T loses identity, N is 7. So P and P cancels off, 2 equal to this full thing. Remember, there is a power 7 in the exponent. So to remove it, I will take the 7th root. The 7th root of 2 is given to be this in your problem. Illadi, you will use a calci to find the root using the method I gave you. So 1 plus R by 100 is this value, 1 and 1 goes off, R by 100 is this, R equal to 10.409%. Clear? We are going ahead with the fifth problem. Fifth problem. A certain sum invested at 4% per annum, compounded semi-annually, amounts to 7830 at the end of year 1. Find the sum. So what is the amount? Fifth. What is the rate of interest? $830. Okay. T here is 2, semi-annual. Semi-annual na half yearly. So 2 halves you have in a year. So T is 2. They are asking you what is P, what is N? N and N. At the end of first year, so N is 1. Okay, so on substitution, 7830 equal to P into 1.04. But இப்படி எடுக்க முடியாது, it will be 1.02, 1 plus 4 by 200. So 1.02, 4 by 200 is 0.02. So 1.02, the whole power 2 into 1. 7830 equal to 1.02 squared. P into so what is P? 7830 by 1.0404. This is going to be your amount that you invest. Okay? You're getting it? Shall I proceed? We are going ahead with the 7th problem. 7th problem. A person opened an account in April 2011 with a deposit of 800. The account paid interest at 6%. Compounded quarterly. Quarter na T will be 4. 4 quarters make a year. On October 2011, He closed the account and added enough money to invest in a 6 months time deposit. So whatever is the proceed plus additional gives me 1000. Further for 6 months. So up till March 2012. சரியா? 6 months time deposit for rupees 1000, earning 6% compounded monthly. So at 6% compounded monthly means T equal to 12. They are asking you what is the closing. How much did he receive at the end? Next, what is going to be the additional number? What is the total interest? Okay? Polama. First, let us begin from step 1. So, April to October, evlo? This they themselves are given 6 months. Okay? So, for the first term, P is 800, N is 0.5, 6 by 12, half a year. R is 6%, T is 4. So when I substitute, what is the amount? Amount another 800 into 1 plus 6 by 400, the whole power 4 into 0.5. You getting it? அடுத்து போவானா? Convert this into decimals. எவ்வளவு வருது? 800 into 1 point. இல்ல எனக்கு இந்த fraction சொல்லுங்க. 3 by 200 இருக்கு. 8 இவ்வளவு வருது? 824.18. You're getting it? அப்படியே எடுத்து போடலாம், அதே மாதிரி தான் வரும். 1 plus 6 by 400 பண்ணது. T is 4. 4 into 100. Quarterly. So, in October, he got 824.18 on closing. இதில் என்ன பண்ணுறான்? He is adding further more funds to make it as 1000. எவ்வளோ ஆட் பண்ணுவான்? No, 828. So this is the addition. Now this he is investing in the second tranche. So second tranche P will be 1000, N will be 6 months, R will be 6%, T will be 12. So when I substitute 1000 into 1 plus 6 by 1200, sorry, N will be 0.5, sorry, the whole power 0.5 into 12. இது பாத்தீங்கன்னா, so 1000 into 1.0005, correct? No, 005. 2 zeros in 5. The whole power 6. What is the value you get? Point 005. 1.0304. Monthly. It is given in the question as compounded monthly. So T will be 12. Okay. So 1.0304 correct? Yeah. 1.030377 வருது. 1.0304. So this is approximately equal to 1030.40. So this is the maturity after everything. So what is my final amount? 1030.4 less principal. How much did I invest? 800.00 less addition. How much I made? 175.82. எவ்வளோ வருது? $54.55. இது what is this amount? Total interest from both the deposits. இது ஒரு single deposit இல்ல. You are getting it? You invested 1000, you got 30.04. So இதுல 30.04 is your interest. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி 800 invest பண்ணீங்க, you are getting 24.18. So 24 plus 30 will be equal to 54. This is the total interest earned from both the deposits put together. எங்க பிரச்சனைனா people will forget that additional investment made. நம்ம அவசரத்துல first 800 போட்டா இப்போ 1030 இருக்கு, டிஃபரன்ஸா மொத்தத்தையும் போட்டுருவாங்க. But that 175 is an additional principal that you are making. அத மறந்துடுவாங்க. So you will have to be cautious in that area. Okay? Ninth problem. Which is a better investment? 3% compounded monthly or 3.2% simple interest? So let us assume principal to be 100. இல்ல principal to be p னு கூட எடுத்து போடலாம், தப்பே இல்ல. Okay, so let us assume p to be 100. So in simple interest, 100 into 3.2 into 1 divided by 100, I am getting 3.2 rupees as my simple interest. Okay, for compounding, 100 into 1 plus 3 divided by 100 into 12, the whole power 12. So 3 by 1200 எவ்வளோ? So this entire value power 12 euro 1.030416. So what is the value? My amount will be 103.0416. Upon what is my interest? Compound interest will be less 100 from this 3.0416. Which is better? Simple interest is better because I get a bigger number as interest. Okay? Clear with simple interest, compound interest? What are the answers? Now, coming to the last part of the topic. I told you except where n is equal to 1, t is equal to 1. Simple interest and compound interest will never match. Always remember, compound interest will be greater than simple interest because effective rate will be always higher than the compounding rate. So interest amount, simple interest, I am saying with regards to amount. Okay, so always remember the amount of interest in compounding will be more than the amount of interest given the same parameters in simple interest also. Okay, so what then will be the difference of interest given the same parameters? So how will you find out compound interest? It is going to be compound interest minus simple interest. Yeah, compound interest in the front because it is greater. So compound interest is given by P into 1 plus R by 100t the whole power nt minus P. This is compound interest. This minus PNR by 100. This gives you the difference between simple interest and compound interest. This is the common LCM. They would have done a big gimmicks and they would have given you one big formula which will last for like half a yard. Don't break up your head. It is nothing but the entire formula for interest which you know minus the entire formula for simple interest which you know. Over. Compound interest amount minus principal gives you compound interest. Simple interest, you know the interest as the base formula. So find out the difference between both, you will get the answer. It's an MCQ only, so you need not disclose the formula anywhere. So just blatantly apply the formula, you will get the answer. Nothing to worry about at all. Okay, now number 2, where you have a fraction in the year in compounding. Say for example, you have 5 years 3 months, 5 years 2 months. Okay, where n is a fraction. How will you manage the situation? You cannot directly apply n as the fraction and do it, you will get the answer wrong. Why? Because n is taken as an exponent. The rule of fraction is different when fraction goes as exponent. Exponent, the denominator becomes nth root. So answer the power. So don't directly apply. You have 2 options. Either convert the fraction to a decimal, then apply it in the formula. But if you are going to get 1.0025 power 4.25, how will you solve? Calculate the power 4.25. So there is another way for it. Say suppose I get 5 1/2, 5.5 years வச்சுக்கோங்க. Up to 5 years first formula எழுதிக்கோங்க. 1 plus r by 100t the whole power 5. For the last half year, this is going to be the principal. Agree? So this will further be multiplied by 1 plus r by 100t the whole power nt, where this portion of n will be 0.5. புரியுறதா நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா? Split the decimal and the fraction separately. And the whole number வரைக்கும் first கண்டுபிடிங்க, then multiply that whole number or further compound it with the decimal. You will then get your answer. You are able to get it? In the method, 99.9% will not be questioned for you. Book lo kuduthirukanga as a formula. I am giving you the derivation as how it is derived. In the method, 99.9% you can be free that they will not ask you. Okay? So the next one, 8th problem. Amount of compound interest and effective rate of interest is amount of 20,000 is deposited in a bank for a year at 8% rate compounded semi-annually. Can you compute the interest? Amount of compound interest and effective rate of interest. If amount of 20,000 is deposited at 8%, interest compounded semi-annually for a year. Effective rate is 8.16%. Interest is 1,632. Clear? All of you? Clear? So with this, your compound interest also gets complete. Any doubts? Eduma? That amount. Compound interest P into 1 plus R by 100 is amount. What is interest? Amount minus principal. He is asked for interest, so you have to give only interest. Clear? Any doubts? Can we go to the next topic? We are beginning with progressions, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. So arithmetic progression is one where subsequent terms have common difference when compared to the previous term. Okay? Or in other words, T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. Or in other terms, 2T2 is equal to T3 plus T1. So T2 equal to T1 plus T3 by 2. Okay? Here this is called as common difference D. The nth term of a series is always given by A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term of the series. Summation up to n terms is given by n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, or this A can be written as A plus A. 2A can be written as A plus A. அதில் ஒரு ஏவை in the remaining of the bracket ஓட சேர்த்தீங்கன்னா you get Tn. So this can also be rewritten as n by 2 into A plus Tn, which is the last term till which you are adding, popularly called as L. So in many textbooks they show it as A plus L. அது Tn formula மேலே கொடுத்துருக்கேன், அதுவும் இதுவும் ஒன்றும். So I'm using Tn. You can use A plus L also. A L na you are multiplying. An பண்ண முடியாது. A is always the first term. I don't know the denotation, I have not seen it. அதுதான் கண்ணா, A generally denotes the first term of the series. So correct கண்ணா. An na 10வது first term என்னது? It is still A. So we generally do not repeat the letters unless you are forced to repeat it. Okay va? நீங்க என்ன alphabet வேணாலும் வச்சுக்கலாம், but that is the denotation. அவ்வளவுதான். நான் பிரின்சிபலை P னு கூப்பிடலாம் compound interestல, x னு வச்சுக்கலாம். Let x be the amount invested na x becomes principal. Yes or no? Simple. Concept தான். Okay? Clear so far? Can we go to the next one? Next. Geometric progression. This is where the subsequent terms ratio is equal when compared to its previous term, or in other words, T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2, or T2 squared equal to T1 into T3. In other terms, T2 equal to square root of T1 into T3. This is also called as mean proportional. சரியா? This is called our common ratio. So Tn is given by ar power n minus 1. Summation up to n terms is given by a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1, or a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r if r is lesser than 1. Unlike arithmetic progression, geometric progression very quickly reaches infinity. So summation up to infinity is given by a by 1 minus r if r is less than 1 and a by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. Clear? Okay, va? Now, other points to remember. When three terms are given to be in AP or GP, if it is AP, it is going to be A minus D, A plus D. If it is GP, it is A by R, A R. If four terms are given, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. In the book, A by R cubed, A by R, AR cubed. This is how you will assume. Clear? Whatever problem you take will be one among this formula. So this chapter alone, you are the person who is going to tell me which problem to do. And in the problem, this complication la eduvume kekka mudiyadhu. Ivladhaan indha topic. L minus D. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this an AP? What is D? A. Last term. What is the term before that? எப்படி 4 in 3 equate பண்ணுவீங்க? Difference 1. So என்ன பண்றீங்க? How 4 becomes 3 before? Minus 1 என்னதுங்க? 4 என்னதுங்க? So last term minus difference is the previous term. First புரியல then I have 1 2 3 forgotten then. Okay, then next. Which problem you want me to do? என்னாச்சு? Fourth one, choose Liya. Wait. Fourth one, choose Liya. 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on and so forth, up to n minus 1. Okay. Summation up to n terms is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or n by 2 into a plus l. இதுக்கு they have given you up to n terms எல்லாம் கொடுக்கல, அவனே n minus 1 last term கொடுத்துட்டான். புரியுதா? So I would prefer to use this rule where only n is defined. there you will give this rule. Last term என்னன்னு தெரியாது அப்படின்னா இந்த சைடு போவீங்க. Last term தெரியும், now go ahead with the second version. Okay, so what is n here? n என்னங்க? n minus 1 is n. Correct? So n minus 1 by 2. What is a? What is L? 1 bocha. So you get n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Seventh one agana. Can we proceed? Seventh one. The first term of an AP is 30 and the third term is 26. Find the eighth term of the series. Now T3 is given by A plus 2D. So I know A to be 30. So 30 plus 2D is 26. So D is minus 2. Now eighth term will be A plus 7D is T8. So 30 minus 7 2s are 14. What is going to be the value? Then அடுத்து கண்ணு யாரோ 8th கேட்டிங்களே. You will have to read. I don't have the illustration. Read.
Find the sum of n terms of the series. 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7 plus 7 into 9 plus 27.
போலாமா? This is going to be a tricky one. Now let us first try to convert it blatantly. 1 3s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 7 9s are. Is this an AP? This is not an AP. Next, difference of the difference. அதையும் பார்த்தோம். 3 to 15 எவ்வளோ? 15 to 35 எவ்வளோ? 35 to 63 எவ்வளோ? So what is the next term? இதோட difference எவ்வளோ? Is this an AP? This is an AP. Okay. எப்போவுமே இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராடக்ட் வந்தது அப்படின்னா ப்ளீஸ் செக் திஸ் ஸ்டெப் ஆல்சோ. ஸோ திஸ் அப் டு n டேர்ம்ஸ் கேட்டிருக்கான். புரியுறதா? யூ ஆர் ஏபிள் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஹவு ஐ எம் ஃபார்மிங் தி AP இன் திஸ். டைரக்டாக பிளேட்டண்டாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதை பிரிக்கலாம் முடியாது. 1 3 5 7 9 is in AP okay, 3 5 7 9 11 is in AP okay னா பிரிச்சலாம் அப்படியெல்லாம் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண முடியாது, ஆன்சர் வராது. டைரக்டா பண்ணீங்கன்னா ஆன்சர் வராது. அவங்க அப்படிதான் பண்ணுவாங்க, பட் ஆக்சுவலா பாத்தீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு ஆன்சர் வருமானு எனக்கு தெரியாது. வரேன் அதே நம்ம இது வழியா டிரைவ் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, I know this is an AP where A is what 12, B is 8. புரியுதா? Can you understand till here? Can I go to the next step? Right. Now, so summation up to n terms என்னது? n by 2 into 2a 24 plus n minus 1 into 8. 2 is common, so 24 becomes 12, 8 becomes 4. So what do you get? n into 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. ஆனா இது என்னது? What is this? இது டிஃபரன்ஸ் உடைய சம். இப்போ the first term actually I need the sum for this, not this. இது வந்து இதோடது. So when I take a as 3, okay, n as 2 in the series la I substitute n in this to get the tn. இப்போ நான் 2 substitute பண்ணா என்ன வரும் பாருங்க, 2 into 12 plus 4, கரெக்டா? சாரி, ஆமா, 2 into 12 plus 4 எவ்வளோ? 16 2 are 32. 32 plus here, sorry, 32 வருதா? இதுக்கும் இதுக்கும் என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ்? 32. So இந்த டிஃபரன்ஸ்க்கு தான் இது. Whatever we found as the summation of AP is nothing but the difference உடைய total. You are able to follow this? So Tn is given by this A plus this formula, n into 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. Where A is going to be 3, so you get 35, which is the third term. Do you follow this? நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னு புரியுறதா? The summation that you found out using this is nothing but the addition of the difference only. இதுல வந்து A இன்னும் நான் ஆட் பண்ணவே இல்லை. A is the first term. Okay, so you can write this eventually. So இந்த மேல கொடுத்திருக்கிற இந்த பெரிய டேர்முக்கு, that is 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5, அந்த டேர்முக்கு nth டேர்ம் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பீங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, it will be a plus, okay, n minus 1 into into 12 plus n minus 2 into 4. This is the Tn for the given term. இதுல வேணா substitute பண்ணி பாருங்க. Now I will tell you what I did. எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் இங்க n இருக்கோ I substituted with n minus 1. ஏன்னா differenceங்கிறது starts only from the second term. A க்கு எப்பவுமே difference கிடையாது. நான் difference உடைய total தான் எடுத்திருக்கேன். So when I take Tn in the difference total, it is Tn plus 1 for the previous series. You are able to understand, because A the first term, T2 becomes T1 for the summation. புரியுதா நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா? You are able to understand this logic? 3 நான் எங்குமே இந்த ஃபார்முலாக்குள்ள எடுக்க முடியாது. 3 தான் first term, அது ஒரு term இருக்கிறதுனால when I mean Tn in summation, I mean Tn minus 1 in the previous one. So I have taken it that way. Now I know the last term. What is the first term? A. So summation logic enna? N by 2 into A plus L. So L is nothing but Tn. So you can substitute it inside. So I'll get A plus N minus 1 into 12 plus N minus 2 into 4. This full term divided by N by 2. Check பண்ணுவோம். Okay. Let us take N as 1. So 2A becomes 6 plus N minus 1 becomes 0. So this full term becomes 0 into 1 by 2, which is 3. Varudhu. First term is 1 into 3 is 3. Now let us take N as 2. 2A becomes 6 plus N minus 1 is 1 into N minus 2 becomes 0. So 12 into 4 into 2 by 2. Idu poidum. So 12 was 48 plus 6. 54 is first two terms adding to 54. No, 18 now or no. Wait. Just bear with me for a minute. Varadu. Okay, give me some time. After lunch, I will think about an easier way to explain this. சரியா? We will close this illustration, but கண்டிப்பா the exam நல்லா கேட்க மாட்டாங்க. இந்த அளவுக்கு வராது. I'll give you an easier way to close this out. Keep this sum on abeyance. Okay? Next. Illustration 10th. Objectively 10th. If terms minus 1 plus 2x, 5x, 5 plus x form an AP, T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. இதில் என்ன பிரச்சனை உங்களுக்கு? Next. அடுத்து next problem. 2 ஆன்சர் அவங்களுக்கே வந்துருச்சான். அவங்களே டவுட் கேட்டு அவங்களே கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணிட்டாங்க. பத்தாவது ப்ராப்ளம். Next, quickly. GB. என்கிட்ட இதில் ப்ராக்டிஸ் இல்லை, சூஸ் தான் இருக்கு. log 1 to infinity கிடையாது, limit 1 to infinity. அதாவது அந்த கொஞ்சம் அவன் என்ன சொல்ல வரான்னா find the summation up to infinity னா அந்த லட்சணத்தை கொடுத்துருவான் printing error அது. Limit of x tending towards infinity 1 by 6, 1 by 6 squared, 1 by 6 cubed, so on and so forth. Geometric progression 1 by 6 as r, a as 1 by 6 up to infinity கேட்கலாம். சரியா? நான் கிளாஸ்லயே அதான் சொன்னேன். summation up to infinity நான் சொன்னேன். log limit அதெல்லாம் சொல்லியே. Okay, next. சொல்லுங்க ஏபிஜிபி ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே you are going to say the sums. ஏன்னா எல்லாமே இதே ஃபார்முலா கூட தான் ஓடும். There is nothing to derive and all like compound interest, simple interest. இதே மாதிரி mean proportion na find the middle term in a GP. Multiply பண்ணி square root எடுக்கும். arithmetic mean between அப்படினு கேட்டாங்கன்னா a plus b by 2 அது வந்து AP. Sum of three numbers are in AP, which is 15 and their product is 80. So, what did I say? Three numbers na A minus D. அதே தான் நானும் வச்சிருக்கேன். சரி அப்ப சம்மபடி காலைல ரொம்ப ஹெவியா சாப்பிட்டியோ சரியா? So the addition of this is going to be 15. So A will be 15. I know 15 minus D, 15 plus D. This are the three terms now. Their product is given to be 80. Okay, so 15 அந்த பக்கம் எடுத்துட்டு போயிடலாம், or you can cancel it off. You will get 3, 16. இப்படியே வச்சுக்கலாம். 15 plus D into 15 minus D, A squared minus B squared. So 225 minus D squared into 3. This is equal to 16. So open up the bracket. What do you get? 225 into 3 எவ்வளோ? 675. அந்த பக்கம் மைனஸ் போச்சுன்னா 6. So D squared is 659 minus minus போயிடும். Okay, so bring this 3 below as a divisor. இதனுடைய ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் D. Sorry. A equal to 5. I made a mistake. 3A is 15. A will be 5. Sorry. I'm just redoing. Step adhe da. A minus 5 into 5 into A plus 5. This is 80. So 16. So A squared minus 25. ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் 5 1 second 5 minus d 5 5 plus d, this is equal to 80, yeah, sorry. So it is 16, so 25 minus d squared is going to be 16, minus d squared is what? இந்த பக்கம் எடுத்துட்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா 9, கரெக்டா? rather minus 9, இது plus ஆயிடும், d will be plus or minus 3. So when I substitute, I get 258. If d is going to be 3, d minus 3 na 8 5 2, I'm ascending kekran, so 258. Sorry, now 3a, அதாவது 3a equal to 15, a equal to 15 எழுதிட்டேன். That caused all the trouble. Then next, yes ma'am. The sum of the first 5 and first 10 terms of a GP are 16 and 3904. Find the common ratio. Now you can presume R is less than 1. எப்போவுமே GP பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் unless explicitly given, always take R is less than 1. Geometric progression தான். ஆனா check the option 2 3 4 5, எல்லா இடத்துலையுமே R is greater than 1. ஸோ நீங்கள் R is less than 1 எடுத்து போட்டிங்கன்னா ஆன்சர் வரும்னு சொல்ல முடியாது, நீங்கள் அதையும் ட்ராக் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, இது டிஸ்கிரிப்டிவாக இருந்தால் டேக் R is less than 1. இது வந்து MCQ. ஸோ ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்கான்னு பாருங்கள். ஸோ இந்த இடத்துல R is greater than 1 is more of. Okay, we are doing the 36th problem in choose. So summation up to n terms when R is greater than 1. In a rule, okay, the sum of first 5 terms, so n becomes 5. Then another 16. அடுத்து a into r power 10 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. இது என்னது? So bigger by the smaller. R another ratio. So I get 3904 divided by 16. R minus 1 போயிடும். ஏவும் போயிடும். You will be left with r power 10 minus 1 divided by r power 5 minus 1. Agree? Correcta? All of you with me? Now 10 can be written as 5 into 2. Let me assume r power 5 as x. So on rewriting, what do I get? 3904 divided by 16 equal to x squared minus 1 by x minus 1. X squared minus 1 can be expanded as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, so x minus 1 you are only left with x plus 1. So 3904 by 16 minus 1 is going to be x. So LCM எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 3904 minus 16 என்ன? 3888 that divided by 16 என்ன? 243. This is equal to x. Remember, this is r power 5. That is nothing but 3 power 5. So r will be 3. புரியுறதா?
Six
26 தானே கேட்டேன். Clear? The arithmetic mean of two integral numbers exceeds their geometric mean by 2. The ratio of numbers is 1:4. Find the two numbers. Polama? All of you with me? Polama? Right. The arithmetic mean of two integral numbers. So let the numbers be x, y. The arithmetic mean, which is x plus y by 2. These three are AP. Agree? This is an AP. Agree? Geometric mean. Adhe xy root of xy. This is a GP. Purida, you are able to follow how I am deriving. Now, avan enna kuduthirukkan? The arithmetic mean exceeds the geometric mean by 2. So, x plus y by 2 is equal to root of xy. 2 plus root of xy. Exceeds na add 2. Okay? The ratio of numbers x is to y is equal to 1:4, or in other words 4x equal to y. Okay, substitute this in this. Okay, so when I substitute, what happens? Y equal to 4x now, this becomes 5x by 2 equal to 2 plus root of 4x squared x into 4x. குடுகுடுன்னு போனா நானே root of 5x in போட்றாதீங்க. It is 4x squared. So this can be rewritten as 2 plus or minus 2x. All of you able to follow till here? Can I go to the next step? Now take 2 common in this and bring it below. 5x by 4 is or you can take 2 to the other side. Eppadi venalum pannalam. Take 2 to the other side. We will make the fraction nullified. 5x equal to 4 plus or minus 4x. Bring the x terms to one side. 5x plus or minus 4x equal to 4. So you have two equations in this. 5x plus 4x equal to 4. 5x minus 4x equal to 4. Purida, I am doing both the equations above. 5x plus 4x equal to 4. 9x equal to 4. X another. இப்போ y என்னது 4 by 9 into 4 4x தான் y இது என்னது 16 by 9 இது ஒன்று. Let us go to the second one. 5x minus 4x equal to 4. X is equal to 4. அப்போ y என்னது? In both the cases, the numerator you see is the same. Denominator is common, so you can ignore. ஏன்னா அது ratio. So the answer is 4 and 16. புரியுதா? Next. Comfortable with ABCP? அடுத்து போலாமா? So successfully ABCP over simple interest, compound interest. We have completed 2 topics out of the 6 in your index. Shall we go to the next? அடுத்து என்ன பார்க்கலாம்? Indices and logarithm. இன்னும் இருக்கா? Okay. Time is 10:30. 10:35 we will resume. To solve. Next problem.
Last year, fifth one.
Log of 2 of log of 3 of log of 2 of x equal to 1. Mithuna. Okay? Now, இதை கொஞ்சம் ரிவர்ஸில் போனோம். ஓகேவா? When you go in reverse, you will get the answer. The problem is, in the full portion has to become 2. அப்பதான் log of 2 base 2 1 ன்னு வரும். Agree? Correcta? So, I can rewrite this as log of 3 of log of 2 base x. This is equal to 2. Seri, okay. We will solve this. We will go to Phillips. Okay. இப்போ this value has அதாவது 3 power 2 should be this value. Do you agree? எதுமா? First or second line? இந்த bracket அப்படியே எழுதிருக்கேன். When I say log of 8 base 2 is 3. Okay, what do I mean? 2 cubed is 8. So when I say log of This value base 3 is 2. What do I mean? Log of x base 2 should be equal to 3 squared, which is 9. Correct? You are able to follow this? Okay? Now, this has to be 9. Now I can write this as log of 2 base 2. Correct? Log of 2 base 2 is 1. 9 into 1 is 9. நான் ஏன் log 2 base 2 எடுக்கிறேன்னா இங்கே எனக்கு base 2 இருக்கு. அப்போ தான் கம்பேர் பண்ண முடியும். So n log a is nothing but log of a power n. This is nothing but log of 2 power 9 base 2. So what is 2 power 9? That's your answer. சரியா? Phillips la fifth one na. Log of 2 is given as 0.30103. They are asking you what is going to be the log of 4 power 50. இதான் கேட்குறான். What are the then the number of digits in 4 power 50? அதாவது டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு முன்னாடி எத்தனை டிஜிட்னு கேட்குறான். நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னு புரியுதா? When I say 25.247, the number of digits is 25. I will leave the decimal. So this can be rewritten as log of 2 power 100 or 100 log 2. So when I am going to multiply, I get 100 into 0.30103, which is approximately equal to 30.103. Answer வந்து 13 வரணும். But அதுக்கு மேல போறதுனால அவன் 31 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறான். He is rounding it to the uppermost extent. தானே ஆன்சர். என்ன ஆன்சர் கொடுத்துருக்கான்? Next. Next, quickly. போலாமா? All of you with me? Okay. Now I am going to bring everything by reverse applying the log rule. So log of 10 base 125 into 1 by 3 ங்கிறது 1 by 3 will go into the power. 125 is 5 cubed. So I can rewrite this as log of 5 cubed by 3 base 10. புரியுதா? You getting it? 5 power 3 by 3 base 10 minus same way log of 2 cubed base 10. 4 is 2 power 2, sorry 2 power 4 base 10, sorry 2 power 2 ஆகும். 2 power 2 the whole square becomes 2 power 4 base 10 plus log of 2 power 5 base 10. Clear? 32 is 2 power 5. So far, all of you with me? So 3 power 3 becomes 1. Now, I can rewrite this as log of base 10. Bases are equal, so equate the digits. 5 divided by 2 power 4 into 2 power 5. புரியுதா? So 2 power 4 2 power 5 ல இருக்கிற 5 போய்டும். You are left with log of 10 base 10, which is 1. இதெல்லாம் ரிவர்ஸ் ரூட். Clear? என்னாச்சு? I don't know. புரிஞ்சா சந்தோஷம். Clear? Next. அதுதான் ஓப்பனாக தான் சார் ஃபாலோ பண்ணி. அடுத்த சம் குவிக்லி. லாகா ஓகே. எப்போவுமே பேஸில் இந்த மாதிரி இருந்தது அப்படின்னா ஸ்டார்ட் ஃபேக்டரைசிங் த ரிக்வயர்ட் நம்பர். ஸோ 1728 I am factorizing by 2. What do you get? Again by 2, again by 2, again by 2, again by 3. Sorry, yeah, 2 எடுக்கலாம், 2 எடுக்கலாம், by 2, 3 squared. So எத்தனை 2s and எத்தனை 3s இருக்கு? You are able to get this? In the 2 power 6, I am writing it as 2 power 3 into 2. Now when I take the square root, what happens? இந்த ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் எடுக்கிறேன்னு வைங்க, என்ன ஆகும்? 2 cubed வெளியில் வந்துடும், உள்ள 3 cubed மாட்டிக்கும். 3 ஒன்று வெளில வந்து √3 நிற்கும். இப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க இப்போதைக்கு. There is a reason why I am retaining it this way. So when I am going to rewrite this, I can rewrite this as 2√3 the whole cubed. Correct? Agree? So I can rewrite this now as log of 2√3 the whole cubed base 2√3. So in the cube முன்னாடி வந்துரும், this becomes 1. So this answer will be 3. புரியுதா? The person who asked this question, 8-1. Right. இல்லை கண்ணு 3 தான். ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம். Show me. I am again repeating. Okay. The mistake which was there was when I take the square root, you will have to multiply the power also again by 2. Okay. The same example which I told you. 2 னு எழுதினேன்னா 2 squared ஓட root தான் 2. So the same way the power also gets increased or multiplied further by 2. And then we take the square root. So this is how you get. So the answer will be 6, not 3. Next. Next one, please. அடுத்த சம். Log. Log of 324 to the base 1 by 3 root 2 is minus 4. இது true or false ஆன்னு கேட்குறோம். Same way 324 factorize. Three power 4. So 324 can be written as 3 power 4 into 2 squared. Again, you are going to bring in the concept of root. So kondu varingina into 2 then root. So penagum 3 power 4 will come outside. Root of 2 power 4 nu poi nikkum. Correct? So you can take it as 3 into root 2 the whole power 4. So far you are clear? But here what are they asking? 1 by 3 root 2 கேக்குறான். புரியுதா? So 1 by 3 root 2 na fraction ல வரும்போது என்ன பார்த்தோம்? Power minus ல போகும். Rule of index 1 by a is a power minus 1. So I know log of 324 base 3 root 2 is going to be 4. Appo when I flip the base, the value will become minus. This minus 4. The answer is true. புரியுதா? Then next calcis காட்ட சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒரு பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு மேலே நீங்கள் ஒர்க் பண்ணும்போது உங்கள் டேபிளை ஃப்ளிப் பண்ணி காட்ட சொல்லுவாங்க கேமராவை. அப்போ சயின்டிஃபிக் ஆக்சன் தான் நீங்கள் காலி. வீடியோ ஃபுல் டைம் மஸ்ட் பி ஆன். Next question. Quickly, next question. 12:30 we'll break for lunch. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி we'll complete this topic. Next question. Once this is over, you will have equations, permutation, combination, set theory. No, ratios, proportions, and ratios. அடுத்து கமான் தூங்கி விளையாதீங்க என்ன மாதிரியே. வேணா ஒரு 4 தடவை மணி கிளம்பி போயிட்டு வா, லைட் ஆயிடும். என்னப்பா